Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Cook with Madam Chi. I'm a trained chef. You can come to my channel. I'll be teaching you how to cook Nigerian dishes and international and continental dishes. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. We'll be showing different dishes, both in continental and African dishes. So thank you. Hi, this is Madam Chi Kitchen. Today I want to prepare curried rice with curried sauce. So these are ingredients, the recipes of the curried rice with curried sauce. These onions, cut onions, this chicken, bass, this rice. This is thyme, this is bay leaf, this is ginger, this is salt, this mix of spice, this grounded pepper, this is maggi, nutmeg, this is curry powder, this is stock, this is tomato puree. So now I'm going to start. Watch me as I cook. Fry the chicken. I'm putting the chicken on fire. This is the curried rice. I'm adding this thing, curried powder inside the boiled water. So I'll put it on fire now and add rice. I want to prepare the curried. So now I'm adding the rice inside the curried water. Let it boil a little, like 2 minutes. So I've added another water to boil the curried rice. After the water, I'm now going to wash the rice, and this is the main water for the curried rice. So I put it now too, and I added little salt, last pinch of salt. So let me wash the rice out.
This is our boiled curried rice, being washed.
So now I'm adding the rice inside the boiled hot water. So you cover it to boil. To prepare the curry sauce for the curry rice. Add little tomato puree inside. I add little stock. I add the grounded pepper. I add Maggi and nutmeg. I add salt. Then I leave it now to boil. I leave it now to boil. This is curried rice.